Hello, my name is David Robinson, and I'm with Sennheiser Electronics Corporation, and welcome to the Exertis Almo E4 show in Dallas, Texas. Look at a couple products that we're displaying today. First of all, what I would like to present is the TCC2 ceiling mic. This is a big seller that Exertis Almo has done very, very well with in 2022, and we look to have a great 23 and beyond with that as well. Coming in 2023 in June, we're going to have a TCCM, which will be a medium-sized mic that will go within that family. Additionally, we brought and shown our EWD and EWDX mic sets. What you have here, you see the half-rack receivers, and then the transmitters and the handheld versions, the lav mics, so we also have head mics as well. We've got a very broad line. This is just a sampling of product. We try to hold this in sets for the distribution channel, which makes it easy to ship complete. And we have many other opportunities for other product to come in the line as well. If you'd like to see more of the Sennheiser line, you can visit us online at www.sennheiser.com. Thank you very much.